Hello everyone, today I will unbox a Wacom 6-inch graphic tablet which I bought from Amazon India. The delivery was too much fast. I got this product in one day. Let's see what is inside the box. Let's unbox it. Nice packing. This is invoice. I bought this tablet this is main box. Nice packaging. One by Wacom. This is compatible with PC or laptop. Let's see what is inside this box. I have to cut this. This is another box, and now finally the tablet is here. Looks good. Back side is red in color and front side is black, and another USB cable is present inside the box. I think it is user manual. Is some warranty guide, and this is stylus. Here two button is present. I have to test this tablet by connect it with my laptop. So for this purpose I have to connect this tablet with my laptop through this cable. It does not require any battery, and this is one thing where I can put my stylus like this. Okay, so it looks nice in looking. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you so much.